guys, welcome back to Eldora's channel. So my name is Kim, and in today's video I'm here with Kate Christopher, who's an MUA. Now I really struggle with creating an eye look and finding the perfect Eldora lash to suit my eye. So Kate's here today to help me out.
Hey guys, I'm Kate Christopher. As you can see, looking at Kim's eye, she's got a rounded eye, so we're going to be creating a look today to complement her eye shape. I'm going to do a natural eye but with a pop colour.
Oh nice, I really like the natural look. It's like the everyday look that I like to go for.
So we're still going to do it like nice and soft.
Yeah, because like I used to always go for this smoky eye look, you know, with the blacks growing up, and then I don't know, as I got older I was like, do you know what, I don't know if this really suits me. I've got the rounded eye and I always struggle. I don't know about you guys, if you've got a rounded eye, comment down below, what do you guys do to create the perfect look? Hopefully today you'll be able to help me. So should we get started?
Yeah. So for rounded eyes, I always like to go for something that really opens the eye up. I find that a bit more of a winged lash really draws attention to the ends and makes it sort of diffuses the roundness and makes it look wider and more open.
So you have two lashes here.
Yeah.
What ones have we got?
So I've picked the M114 and the M103 today, but I am going to go for the M114 for this look.
Okay. The one thing I find with my eye is like the length of the lash.
Yeah.
I don't know about you guys, but you know, most people trim the lash. I always find that it's too short for my eye.
Yeah.
But I guess with the eyeliner that helps. So I find that it helps anyway.
Yeah. So I always just take them out and just give them a little wiggle, just so they're not stuck in the shape that they are in the box. And then just measure up the size. No, we don't need to trim those ones. Yeah, the Eldora eyelash glue is the best glue I have ever used.
I think so. I think that was the reason why I fell in love with the Eldora lashes, because of the glue. That was the first thing, and then of course the lashes are really good, and you can use them over and over.
We're just gonna put this onto Kim's eye, and it's really, really easy to apply.
Like, how do you know when the lash is ready to pop on? Do you have to wait like a certain amount of time, would you say?
I always find when the glue is going clear.
Okay.
So when it loses that iridescent look and it's like a little bit blue.
Yeah.
And then just going to place that lash right. Just going to give them a little pinch. Pulling the lid down a little bit while we apply the liner. Just makes it a little bit easier to apply. Just sort of finish the look off, and we just want to put some mascara on now. Your lashes are like nice and long and thick, so they really complement these lashes as well. That is our rounded eye tutorial finished.
So what do you guys think? Let me know if you like this look. If you like this look, make sure you comment down below, and of course follow Kate Christopher on Instagram. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks, bye.